Thrice happy are the men who know the joyful sound. They glory in the Lamb, their hopes upon Him found. They see how justice, truth, and grace agree and shine in Jesus' face. A joyful sound indeed to sinners in distress, who have no works to plead, but what are vile and base, who feel their hearts a dreadful den of every murderous, hateful sin. For such to hear and know, salvation is of God, that Jesus will bestow the riches of His love on sinners who have naught to bring, will make their very souls to sing. He pardons all their sins and makes them white as wool, and the sweet Spirit sends to fill their vessels full of faith and love and joy and peace, and seal them sons and heirs of grace.